Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Instantly recognizable, familiar elements have been reinterpreted. The iconic grille amplified, celebrated. Striking features like the clamshell hood and Aston Martin Aeroblade elevate DB11 to automotive art. Inside the DB11, luxurious natural materials, the highest level of craftsmanship and state-of-the-art climate control and infotainment technology provide the ultimate in comfort and convenience. DB11 exploits its inner strength and immense performance with completely reworked chassis, suspension, steering, and electronics, revised suspension with adaptive damping, and multiple driver selectable dynamics, enrich DB11E's adaptability. DB11E's V8 and V12 twin-turbo engine choices produce 503 bhp and 630 bhp respectively. Both offer a combination of exceptional performance and improved efficiency. Intelligent cylinder bank activation makes it the cleanest, most fuel-efficient DB ever.